Howdy guys. So yesterday GitHub flagged my account for creating 1,500 pull requests within one day, and I want to talk to you about this story that happened. Um, the other night I wrote a script which opened pull requests automatically. So this is all, for example, from just one day on March 30th, 2026. I ran the script for 24 hours. And this is pretty much what the script did. It went into a list of MCP projects, which is AI agent projects, uniquely scoped agents, and it created a pull request for each of those. So this is an example of a pull request over here. The pull request automatically said, love the project, dot, dot, dot. Some people closed it and included a link to host their MCP on Fronteir AI. So some people closed the project, some people actually liked it, and they actually did merge it. So it was a mixture. In terms of the campaign, I see at least 39 that have merged it, and what the PR did is that it merged it added a request to add a link, the deployment link, onto the README. So, for example, here's an example of something that was merged, and it said loves the project, adds a short note about the README to host on Fronteir AI. So now, if I go into this project, for example, it's pretty cool. It's got 152 stars. I'm gonna give it a stars, and I click on Fronteir AI. Then it actually shows a hosted deployment is available on Fronteir AI. So I can click that, and from there, users can deploy. So there was 39 people that liked it. I see there's at least 50 people that closed the PR, and out of that, there must have been 1,500 open PRs there. But this was an interesting little experience where I was so excited about this. It brought a lot of organic traffic to the website as well, which was kind of interesting. So, for example, as you could see, this is the Fronteir AI stats. It's a brand new product, brand new MCP hosting platform for the full week. Nothing. Sunday night, I started to ran the script to create the PRs, which is code contributions, saying with the required change to add a README to their deployment page on the platform. And so 205 on Sunday, 362 people came on Monday, and then Monday night, unfortunately, at 10 p.m., I got an email from GitHub saying that they flagged my account. So I wanted to share with you guys this funny little email that I wrote GitHub as well, which I thought the YouTube community might appreciate as well. Yeah, check it out. This is funny. Here. Well, let me check over here, the inbox. Here's the GitHub support ticket. Dear GitHub. So of course I had to open up a ticket. Sorry, I made a mistake. Broken heart GitHub here. Okay, let's see what I wrote to GitHub, because they flagged my account and people reported it as spam, then they made my PRs not visible anymore. So my public content is not visible. So I wrote them last night. Hi, please describe the restriction issue while you're trying to lift the restriction. I said, I apologize for my recent pull request campaign. I am very passionate about hosting MCPs and thought it would be interesting to auto-create pull requests for a list of 1,500 MCP repos, which is coding projects. Aside from this one-time blunder, I have been using GitHub as a good citizen for about 10 years now, and it is one of my favorite platforms. For good things I've done on the platform, dot, 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 so on and so forth. And then I wrote them a little bit more today. Hey, some people actually liked it, and some people were appreciative of it, especially the small repositories. So looking back, maybe I should have been more careful and done it a little slower to see how people reacted to the pull request, but I thought this was a funny little thing. There was, as we saw, 39 people that approved it, so they added their link, they appreciated it, but that is my story for today, guys. Have a good day.